GM and welcome to a new video. Today we're gonna take a look at PENGU, which will be the official coin of Pudgy Penguins, launching this year. So not much time left this year, so it will launch pretty soon. There's some tasks to do if you don't own a Pudgy Penguin, but one of the community, but one NFT from one of the other communities, but we'll take a look at this later in the video. If you haven't done so far, please follow my account, leave a like, and share this video with your friends. As I just said in the beginning, the Pudgy Penguins are launching their own official token. No utility, just a meme token basically. In this tweet, they announced this on the 6th of December. Here's a little summary of what they did with bringing their toys to Walmart and Target. Millions of followers worldwide on Instagram, TikTok, on X, and so on. And now they're launching their token. Those are the tokenomics here. There will be a supply of 88,888,888,888 tokens. Oh gosh, that was hard for me as a non-native English speaker. And this is how they gonna distribute it. 12% go into the liquidity pools. Public good will be 4%. Current and future team, but they have a 1-year cliff and 3 years vest. Then there's some other stuff also for the company, 11%. So it totals to around 30% for team and company. And here's the interesting part. Pudgy community gets 25.9% of the token supply, and the other communities 24.12%. And we're gonna come to this later with a task for you if you are part of one of the other communities. So how does that work for the Pudgy Penguin holders? Luca Netz, he's the one behind Pudgy Penguins. There is no snapshot. Once live, your PENGU allocation is attached to the NFT and there will be a claim live for 88 days. It's still okay to buy a Pudgy Penguin, but as soon as they announced this, the Pudgy Penguins skyrocketed in floor price. So not sure if it's still worth buying one now. So you need to think about this for yourself, but there is no snapshot. There will be a claim and there will probably a checker once the claim is live in the next weeks. Then you will probably need to check before you buy a Pudgy Penguin if the owner already claimed the allocation or not. Then there's this ecosystem overview, and Abstract is the layer 2 built on Ethereum that Pudgy Penguins basically bought. So this will basically be the Pudgy Penguins chain, as you could say. They call it the consumer chain, and they launched a Discord, as you can see here in this. And this is a task you need to do if you are a part of the following communities. And I think here it's a bit easier to see this. Bodoggos, Clanosaurus, so a lot of Solana communities, but also ordinal communities like Bitcoin puppets, Node monkeys, some meme coins as well, as you can see here. More coin is in there. We have the ETH collections like Izuki, Bored Ape Yacht Club, Goblin Town. So there's Chimpers is in here. So there's a lot of communities that can get the elite chat role on their Discord. What you need to do is basically join that Discord. I will put this down in the description as always. And join that Discord, and then you need to use Vulkan to verify your assets and claim the elite chat role. And you only have until tonight. I think I'm posting this video on Sunday, and you have time until tonight to do this. And then there's a form that you can fill out. I will put this in the description as well, where you connect your Discord, which then ensures them that you have the elite chat role, that you are on the Discord and are part of one of those communities. and then you give them an ETH wallet. What I didn't say in the beginning, this coin will be launched on Solana. People were wondering, okay, but you guys are launching the abstract chain. Why are you doing this on Solana now? On one hand, this will be a multi-chain token, so it will be an abstract. And why do you need to enter a abstract or an ETH wallet now for the claim? Basically, Pudgy Penguins are on Ethereum as well, so probably the claim will be the same for Pudgy Penguins as for everyone else. You connect your ETH wallet and then you can claim your token allocation. So the wallet that you fill into the form doesn't have to be the wallet that holds one of those, because maybe some ordinance holders don't really have an ETH wallet so far. I doubt it, but it could be the case. So just put in any ETH wallet, could be your hot wallet, could be a burner wallet. The important thing is that you have the Elite Chat role on that Discord. That being said, there's a lot of speculation on how much this token is going to be worth, but it definitely doesn't hurt if you're part of one of those communities to go to the abstract Discord and verify your NFTs and then fill out the form ASAP so you get a token allocation from this here. All right, that being said, thanks so much for watching. Make sure to follow my channel and see you next time.